Draíocht. First of all, thank you to everybody doing the exercises. A special shout out to people like Golden and Bard Lucy who shared them publicly, and I've put those in my stories. But equally, I've had a load of you DM me videos or your poems written out and gone, I'm really sorry I chickened out. You did not chicken out. You shared them. And you shared them with what is essentially a randomer on the internet. That is brave. Well done. You are fulfilling the terms of the exercises. So well done. This is exercise 4. And this is going to be a little bit different. And I'm going to ask people to I'm going to give you a few days to do it because it requires a little bit of prep. And it requires a little bit, maybe, a little bit more courage again. This exercise asks you to convey a true emotion, a genuine, authentic emotion using your tone of voice. Now, the first thing, obviously, is to decide what are you feeling. So I would generally advise starting this perhaps first thing in the morning if you can, or early in the day. But it doesn't matter. If this is afternoon where you are, it's still time to start. Decide what are you feeling right now. Now, I mean authentically, not what you think you should be feeling or not what you're kind of forcing yourself to feel. What is your actual true feeling, emotion right now? If it's sad, that's okay. If it's happy, that's okay. It's also okay if it's just meh. It's just like, that is okay. The only requirement is that it is authentically what you are feeling. Now, you need to convey this to somebody else. And now the words aren't important. It's the tone of voice that's important. So somebody asks you, oh, how are you today? How are you doing? How's it going? And instead of going, oh, great, grand, you reply with the true emotion in your voice. Now you can still say the word, oh, grand, great, no problem. It's the tone of voice. Bonus points if you actually blurt the truth out because extra. But it's tone of voice. So if you're feeling sad, say it sadly. If you're feeling happy, say it happily. And if you're feeling meh, say it with a meh. I'm not asking you to tell people your problems or your innermost secrets. If they say to you, are you okay or whatever, you can just, it's just the weather's getting me down. You don't have to go into details. The words are not what we're concentrating on. It's the tone of voice. I want you to convey your true emotion using only that. Now, if you're in a situation, even over the next, say Monday and Tuesday, where you're not going to be speaking to anybody or anything like that, I will be your person. You can just record yourself looking at the camera, talk to me. I'm asking you, how's it going? How do you feel? And tell me honestly. That's okay. Even if you don't feel like sharing it with us, record it and play it back to yourself. Hear the truth. What we want is an authentic truth. Why am I asking you to do this? I'll tell you afterwards, okay? But this is a really important step in learning to speak with our true voices. Bye.